Installing electric fences is a really important job that helps to keep people safe. You have to be able to monitor an electric fence, and the DevNet 24 modem makes it easy. Installation is as simple as plugging into the keypad bus of the energizer. And just like that, I created a network between the energizer and my computer. The network is based on 3G technology. That means no other infrastructural wires are required. On my computer, I have Devtron Circuit Master software, which gives me a map of the fence and all the energizers. In order to show you how the network works, I'm going to create a short circuit on the fence. This is what would happen if an intruder was climbing the fence. As you can see, the alarm is sent through to the computer, which security is monitoring, and they can take action. What stands out about the system, it lets you know when the power goes down. When this happens, the energizer switches on to battery power, and the computer picks up a message that the power has gone out. If the battery should later die, the computer will alert security that the fence is now off. The Devtron system is a maintenance-free network solution which allows you to focus on the fence. If you want to find out more about us, look us up on devtron.co.za.